This is the Volkswagen Model 5 BB AM radio, which has been modified with, it's been repaired and pretty much overhauled, and the FMC, Aurora FMC board is put in it, and it's favoring FM when you first turn it on. We're in FM mode here. Oops, away.
If you are out of our local calling area, 831.
Spin back through the dial here. And I've set it up to favor FM. However, when you turn off the ignition and back on, it may come up in AM. In which case you just turn it off and back on again quickly, and it'll come up, it'll change mode. Haven't got a very good antenna here, we've got a little bit of interference in the shop.
Teach an old dog new tricks. I'm an old dog and this is a new trick. I don't know, I love doing it.
Clinton is enjoying doing.
Now if we go all the way to the left end of the dial, make my way to the left end of the dial here, it'll switch over to whatever's coming through the audio jack, which in this case is my phone here. It's coming right off my 70s hits off my phone here, and that comes in via an audio jack which I've installed on the back by the antenna. Excuse my jeweler screwdriver there, that's acting as the antenna right now. But it really does make the radio punch out nicely. Having the audio jack makes all the difference. All of this, this all works perfectly fine, except there's two buttons. The first and the third, they don't do anything. But they can't be reprogrammed, unfortunately. But the first one, I've got it set to take you over to the far left, which puts you back onto this telephone connection in, you know, the MP3 in. See what I got going here. So, and of course, as soon as you move away from the left side, you're back into FM again.
East is east and west is west and the wrong one.
Oh, I think a lot has changed.
Push the button, you're back on your audio in. What else have I got on there? A lot of advertising, unfortunately. So it's pretty nice. They're not great amps in these little radios, only about 10 watts, but it's very nice sounding through the audio jack, that's for sure. That's where you're going to get the best joy out of a radio like this. But the AM does work. I might be able to get it to come up in AM. There it is. Oh, I had it for a moment. No, I've got it set. It came up for a moment there in AM and switched to FM. So it's, well, hang on. Maybe I could... Oh, no, I got it. Of course, AM is all about interference. We've got one good radio station locally here, which I think is about...
Drug dealers, they'll be pretty lenient.
Right over here. But when I say good radio station, there are no good AM radio stations in my humble opinion.
Not only will they...
But mostly it's interference on an AM dial. You'll get more in Silicon Valley than we get here. Now if I turn it off and back on, I'm back in Oh, back in FM mode. I'm looking for a station here. You get tired of all the above, click the left button and you're back on whatever's coming in from your Sade. Anyway, so there it is. It's nice. It's got a nice smooth action to it, the radio. It's just it's back in action. It'll last for many years like that. It's an FM radio, AM FM radio, and with the audio jack. And I should mention that you can just, oh, I went and turned the power off. That wasn't that clever. I mean, where are we here? Yeah, right. So if I unplug this, there's the jack right next to the antenna connection. That way it's out of the way, because I noticed this radio goes in, it slides in, so I can't put it in the side. But in the back there, it's perfectly fine. It's out of the way. So there we are. That's the VW 5BV radio overhauled, electronics overhauled anyway, and the mechanism is repainted and it's been cleaned up. So you should be very happy with that one.